guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a new paper collection that I just received in the mail. This is from Country Craft Creations, and this is called The Heart of Courage. This is a paper collection that Tamara created where 100% of the profits go to a fund, and I will leave a link down below so you can read more about that. But it does come in an 8x8 paper pad, which, as you guys know, is my favorite size paper to work with. And I picked up 3 of them. I think right now it does show that it is sold out, but she's getting more. And that's the good part of her creating her own paper collections, that she can just print more. So I also did order the little charms, and I thought those were so cute. So if you saw my other video of my graphic 45 paper that had all the sunflowers, you know I'm also a fan of sunflowers, and I had showed my phone case that is full of sunflowers. So ironically, everything is coming out sunflowers, but the sunflower is the flower for Ukraine, so that's why it's there. So these are the charms, and the charms are very heavy, so I've gotten them before, as well as the bookmarks. You can see how thick they are, but those are really pretty. And let's take a look at the paper. So I think it's Project Dynamo. Hold on, let me get that for you. Yep, so it is Project Dynamo, and then 100% of the paper profits Tamara is donating to there. So I will leave the link down below so you can read more about it. She's got a whole thing here about who they are and donating to them and stuff, so you can see all that. So anyway, I will leave that down below. You can read more on it, but let's take a quick peek at the paper. So it is called Heart of Courage. You can see it is a very vibrant paper, which all of Tamara's papers are. The colors are absolutely gorgeous in these paper collections. So there's the sunflowers in the back side. And here's this one, pretty blues with the reds. And if you put them together, you can see how different both papers are, but how well they will still work together. And then there you go. So it has the sunflowers, butterflies, super pretty. You could make like some kind of a little corner pocket and fussy cut. If you're one of the fussy cutting people, I'm jealous because that is not my thing. And here's this one. And the back side. Super pretty. This one's gorgeous. I haven't seen these papers yet, so I figured I would record as I was looking at them. Gorgeous. Look at that. And you can even fussy cut out just the flower heads and then add them to the paper to make them dimensional. It would be really pretty. Pretty. And then the little cut apart cards and border strip down here. That one's super pretty. And that's it. So anyway, like I said, you might see these are currently sold out on the website, but I know that Tamara is going to be printing more of them. So again, this is the 8x8 paper pad. I will leave you a link down below to all of the information. And I picked up 3 of them. I don't know what I'm going to create yet, but I knew that there wasn't a whole lot of papers with this collection, so I got 3 so I can make something really nice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye!